Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you find what you are doing here helpful and interesting, give us a like and a follow. Thank you.
All right, guys. I greet you all. Hope you guys are having good week already. Today is Tuesday. I haven't taken any trade yet. Today I saw a good setup on BTC USD, but I set my pending order, but the market didn't trigger me. I'm going to show you guys the trade now, and also I was waiting for gold too, but gold is kind of just misbehaving for the meantime. I was waiting for gold buy, but when it get to the zone, I was waiting for my confirmation. Then the market just pulled down, break that my zone. Now now the gold is coming up, is splitting up again. So and this is already after 4, almost 4:30. So in the next 30 minutes, I'm going to cancel that my BTC trade. So I don't think I will be having any setup today again. So we'll come back tomorrow and we'll do our thing again. You know, like you guys know, we only trade Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So today being Tuesday, I didn't take any trade. So we have only 2 days left. I hope we'll see a good setup tomorrow. You know, and next tomorrow. So let's see. I'm going to update you guys tomorrow. But first, let me show you guys the BTC trade that didn't trigger me. All right, guys, this is the BTC trade. As you can see, where my pending order was. I was just going for 1:2. You guys know that is what I normally go for, 1:2. So the market come very close though, but it didn't pull down enough to trigger me. When I was analyzing this trade, I saw this this zone here, this demand level here, but I said no, this demand level might be a manipulation. This market might come down to this place and push down, to stop people out. So I have to go with this demand level that is under, because it has a tiny fair value gap under it. So but unfortunately for me, the market respected this demand level here and push up from there. And now the market has hit TP, but it's nothing. We don't have to dwell on this one. We wait for another setup. I believe another good one, a better one, a more clear one will still show up. Okay, so on to the next one till Wednesday. Okay, that is tomorrow. We'll come back and look for another setup. That's how we do it here. See you guys tomorrow. Peace. All right, guys. Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, and I haven't taken any trade yet. This is after 12, but I've spotted a very good trade on Euro USD, my best friend. You guys know how we do this thing now. So I pray this one will be a good setup and triggers me, because the market is still kind of far from my point of interest, but there is still time. This is after 12, so I believe before 5 o'clock, the market, if the trade is a good trade, then definitely the market is going to trigger me, just like 11 to 12 pip away from my point of interest. So let's see how it goes. Let me just show you guys the trade. I'm just about to set the trade now, set the pending order. Okay, so after this recording, I will just go ahead and set the pending order and then go to where I'm going. So see you guys. All right, guys, here is the trade. I'm just about to set this pending order now. This is Euro USD, and if you look at the time, you will see that the time is 12:35. We still have time. So okay, let me just check how many pips away from my point of interest. Okay, this is just 16 pips. Just 16 pips away. Okay, let's see. Let's see how it goes. So let me just show you guys, break this trade down for you guys. Okay, so let me go to 4 hours. If you look at 4 hours, you will see that initially I'm waiting for this trade to, come down to this point, but I don't think that will happen this week because Euro USD is very bullish. Okay, so in this 4 hours, you can see this origin that is already mitigated. This demand level here, that is the demand level that I find until both from 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour to 15 minutes, and that is where I get this entry from. Okay, so if you look at this, if you look at the demand level here, this is it. This is it here, and if you look at it, you see that it has mitigated. Okay, so if you come down to 2 hours, we still have the demand level there. If you look at it, okay, this is the demand level, and it has also mitigated. So you come down to 4 hour to 1 hour, I mean, you will see that this is the demand level here, and it has also mitigated. So and you guys know how I trade. Once my point of interest is mitigated, then I come to 15 minutes to wait for confirmation. So this is my confirmation. Okay, so if you look at this trade, you see this is the first time the market entered the demand level, and this was the high that pushed the market down. So I mark out that high as my protected high. Okay, so this market pushed down and played around, consolidated a little, and push up to that protected high, and then push down, break structure. Understand? So this morning, and also the market has broken structure and coming down now. So this point, this demand level now, is the only demand level around here, and it has imbalance above it. So I'm good to go. The market has taken out the high that put the market into the point of interest. That's broken structure to the upside. That is a shift, a market structure shift. So coming down to this, my point of interest, there's nothing holding me back. It's just a straight short. The only thing that will make me not to take the trade is if the market did not pull back to the zone. So as long as the market gets to that point of interest, I'm taking my shots. Unless and also if the market did not come back on time, once it's 5 o'clock, I'm no longer going to take the trade. Okay, so I will update you guys on how the trade went anyhow. All right, guys, I agree to you. Bro, BTC trade just triggered me. I had this set up on BTC, but I was not expecting it to trigger today. I was like, the trade will not get to that point of interest today. So I was waiting for it tomorrow, but that point of interest was a very clean one. So after I set my pending order on Euro USD, I said, let me also set this pending order in case, because I was going out. Understand? For me to come back now and see that the two pending order I set is the BTC that triggered, I was surprised, I swear. So the BTC trade is running now. It's just still my entry point right now. So, and my laptop is off for now, and I'm just about to go and buy fuel on my generator. We don't have lights now, so when my system is on, I'm going to show you guys, or I will do the video tomorrow because I have a lot of things to do. So but I will tag the screenshot. I already screenshotted the trade So I will tag the screenshots here, just in case if I was not able to do the recording today, I will do it tomorrow in my next video. Yeah, so I will update you guys. Let's see how this one goes. I've already cancelled the Euro USD trade. I've cancelled that one, so it's only the BTC now that is running. The Euro USD trade might be tomorrow if the setup is still valid. Okay, so let's see how it goes. I will definitely update you guys. All right, guys. Good morning, everyone. I greet you. Hope you guys are doing good this morning. Man, that our trade yesterday later come back to stop me out at break even. You know, the trade really pay me, but we move, nothing much. You know, some days are like that. So the trade at the time I checked this trade and the reversal was very very clear. You know, when I checked the 5 minutes time frame, the reversal was very very clear. So the market was already breaking structure to the downside on 5 minutes. I saw the reversal very clear, but I had no choice. I can't close the trade because I have 3 rules in my trade. And it's either I hit TP, stop loss, or break even. So there was nothing I can do about it. You know. So my trade, if you move 1:1, if I'm using 20 pips, I'll have to adjust it to 10 pips. You know. So if I'm going to lose like $100 in my trade, when the trade move 1:1 reverse, it's not going to be that $100 again. It's going to be $50. But once you move 1:1.5, I break even totally. So if you come back to my entry point again, it's just going to stop me out with no loss. So that was what I did. When the market moved 1:1.5, I broke even. So this trade was very very close to my take profit, like 1 pip or 2 pips, you know, to hit my TP. But then it is what it is. You know, let me just show you guys the trade so you can see for yourself. So today is Thursday, and I'm waiting for a setup on Euro USD to see if the setup will work out today. If I don't see any trade today again, that means we have taken just 1 trade again this week. And so far so good. We are going well. It's going well, better than last challenge, you know. So let me just go ahead and show you guys the trade. All right, guys. Yeah, here is the trade. As you can see, this trade almost hit our take profit, but then it came back to stop me out at break even. If you watch that red line, that is where my break even point was. You know, so when the market come back to that red line, it just stopped me out. You know, so far so good. We are still down 1% on the account because our first trade was a loss. You know, so we are down 1%. I hope I see a good setup today, but if I don't, fine and good. We wait for next week. We go again. See you guys. All right, guys. Good morning, everyone. I greet you. Today is Friday, and I was not able to take trade again yesterday. You know. So this week we took only 1 trade, just like last week. 1 trade last week, 1 trade this week. This is making sense now. Trust me, it's making sense. I can't even. I feel happy. Believe me. Seeing myself taking just 1 trade a week is something I thought would never be possible. You know, even for a day. Trust me. But here we are now. Here we are. We've taken 2 trades so far. The last one was a break even. I had a loss last week, so this week a break even. And on that break even, I was able to make that $8. You know, so I'm no longer on 1% drawdown. We just a little bit above 0.5%. You know, so definitely, in my honest opinion, this week is a good week. You know, I saw so many opportunities, but the market just didn't give me what I want in my point of interest, and I was able to stay calm, hold myself, telling myself that the profit I make in this trade doesn't really matter. What matters is for me to follow my rules. As long as I stick to my rules, whether I win or lose, it doesn't really matter. Because, sticking to my rules, my system is what will sustain me long term. So I must applaud myself for last week and this week. You guys might be seeing it like something that is nothing, but for me, it's a very big change. So, and I hope to keep doing it this way. You understand? Any day I come to the chat and I didn't see what I'm looking for, I'll be able to stay back last. Even if I'm not going to see any trade for the week, it doesn't really matter. Trust me, it doesn't really matter. As long as, because if I don't trade, I won't lose and I won't win either. That means my money will be there until I see what I'm looking for. And when I see what I'm looking for, everything aligned together, I'm going to strike. Whether it's a loss or a win, it doesn't really matter. If I know that if I keep doing it that same way, long term, I'm going to be profitable. That is the only thing that matters. So I don't want to make this video too long. Okay. So I greet you guys. I checked my YouTube channel. I saw that 2 more people has followed me. So if you are the person that followed me first, that's the second person that followed me. Just I've tried to locate the person, but I was not able to see the person. So if you watch this week episode, just drop a message in my comment section. Just tell me that I'm the one that followed you. I promise to give that person something. So just drop a comment and I will reach out to you. I have something for you. Okay. So I'm wishing you guys happy weekend. Though today is Friday, but you guys will be seeing this video tomorrow, being Saturday. So I'm wishing you guys a happy weekend. Stay cool. Focus. Focus on what you are doing. Focus on the process. We are all going to be there as long as you don't give up. If you don't give up, you are definitely going to be there one day. That's what I believe. And I will see you guys in my next episode. Peace and love.